Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and this is my neighbor Frankie. He stopped by because he has a recipe he wants me to try. Well, it's not really a recipe, it's a food combination, a different food combination. Now, I've never tried it before, but it's one of Frankie's favorite things to eat. So I thought it would be fun to try it and play a little game called Yuck or Yum. Yay! So let's get started. Okay, Frankie, how do we make this? You need one slice of bread, and we've got some apple butter. Okay, let's put this on. Is that enough? You want more than that? You want more? Okay, let's put more. Okay. You want even more? Okay, let's put more. Here's the thing I don't know about. We're putting on green olives. Well, I don't just lay them down. Okay, he wants me to set them up. Okay, let's put them up. How many you want? Is that enough, Frankie? No, more? Okay, let's put in more. Okay, is that it? No, I'm scared to taste this. Frankie, I'll cut you off a little piece. Here's a little piece for him. Oh, no, I don't really like green olives, so I don't know if this is going to work. Okay. Here we go. Frankie. No. Okay. Well, I'll count three. Oh. Did you break it? Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. We gotta rate it. We're gonna rate it. Huh? I think everyone knows what we're gonna pick, but we gotta rate it on a count of three. I've got apple butter all over me. Come on. 1, 2, 3. I did not like this. Oh, but I don't like green olives really, so that's what it did it for me. But what do you think? Is this a yuck or is it a yum? Let us know in the comments. Okay, bye everyone. Frankie, no, you're gonna mess it up. No! Oh my gosh, Frankie. Hi. You got apple butter all over your mouth. We got to do it. Oh, okay. Huh. Frankie, pick up your paddle. We got to rate it. On a count. On count three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Frankie, no! We got to do this again. Frankie. On the count of 3. We got to do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No, this is your food. Well, Frankie, you picked the wrong one. Wait a minute. Do it again. Okay, do it again. 1, 2, 3.